Namaste. Welcome to Zudela. Whenever we learn about stock market, the first thing that comes to our mind as a question or a doubt is what causes the stocks to move or what causes the stock prices to fluctuate. And there are a lot of reasons and factors behind that. But remember one thing. Learn the basics of the game so that you can play the game like a pro. So the topics to be discussed in today's video are what causes the stock price to move, what is fear and greed in the market, and what are the reasons behind fear and greed in the market. What causes the stock price to move? So understanding that with an example, as COVID-19 spread surge in India, you might have been experiencing that the mask demand has increased, but the limited quantity of mask has been a problem for Indians, and the price of that mask, which costed 10 rupees, have surgically surged to 200 rupees per mask. And even with the basic education and concepts of supply and demand can understand this. Stock prices are similar to this situation. They also run on supply and demand concept, and majorly it is the supply and demand of shares that causes the price to move up and down. It is easier to understand any concept with an example. So let's take an example of IRCTC share. The company in total has 16 crore shares, out of which 87.4% shares are with promoters, and the promoters here are government. Promoters are the people who start the company and they don't regularly sell and buy shares in companies. And the rest 12.6% share is with non-promoters, and non-promoters are people like retail investors, mutual funds, or the people who generally buy or invest their savings in the company. And that 12.6% shares here equal to 2.1 crore shares. This amount of shares is responsible for the fluctuation in the share. And why am I focusing more on that is because promoters usually don't sell their shares unless there is some liquidity issue with the company or they need to pledge their shares. But this amount of shares, which is 2.1 crore shares, are regularly bought and sold upon the demand and supply of the share. And note, if the buyers are more than the sellers, the stock price will rise, and if the sellers are more than the buyers, then the share price will fall. It is the basic concept beneath which the stock price moves. Fear and greed are the words to remember in stock market. Stock market usually move in trend and they gain their momentum beneath these trends. It is because of this trend that causes the short-term movement in stocks and investors gain from. And many traders believe that stock that went up will go further up and stock that plunged will fall further in price. It gives rise to the concept of greed and fear. You might be wondering why am I talking about fear and greed. Fear in stock market can be reflected by other words as well. Bloodbath, panic, crisis, bear phase, whereas greed can be used by other words such as optimism, uptrend rally, boom, and bull run. I would like to quote a sentence said by Warren Buffett. Be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. He meant that you should buy when others are in fear or others are selling, and you should sell when others are getting greedy because it is the best time to get out of the market. And big money can be made when a group of majority is saying that we are selling or we want to sell, but you buy and noted the fact that you buy quality businesses. Discussing what are the factors behind the fear and the greed. Factors are like catalysts that trigger the movement in the stock, and factors can be called as a news also. This news can be further categorized into business related, either meaning about the profits of the company, what the products of the company are, or management related regarding any news that the management has resigned or the new management has joined. Economy related, what has happened in the economy recently, is RBI doing something good for the company, if it is a bank, and others may be like acquisitions, mergers, and hostile takeovers by companies as well. How can you benefit from the greed and fear in the market? So I would like to advise you that whenever you start your career or interest in stock market, make it very clear that whether you want to be an investor or a trader, and that thing will lead you to further visualize your concepts and move on. An investor focuses on news that can impact businesses in long run, but a trader must be focused on things regularly, even hourly, and conclude how the news can impact the share. As a trader, I would like to suggest you that keep an eye on what is happening in India and what is happening in US for the other eye. And it has been said that whenever the US economy catches cold, it is the Indian economy which sneezes. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the video and if you find something knowledgeable, do like and share and subscribe.